What were his personal views on slavery? Recently interviewed Professor Alan Taylor on his work on Thomas Jefferson, and again, very complex person, but personally understood that slavery was extremely detrimental to American society in the long run. Did Tyler have that kind of a view, or was he totally embedded in the Southern state, right to slavery and the necessity of slavery?
Tyler largely believed in the very Jeffersonian and Madisonian notion of slavery being a necessary evil. He had argued at one point that slavery had been fastened on to America, fastened on to the United States by the British, shades of blaming the British for this. But at times, he did seem to take a little bit more aggressive view with respect to slavery. I write in the book that he skirted, or he came at the margins of what was called the pro-slavery argument, where slavery was seen not as a necessary evil, but as a positive good. So he largely confined himself to the necessary evil, that we have it, there's nothing we can do about it, and sometimes went over into the more John C. Calhoun, if you will, the John C. Calhoun attitude of slavery as a positive good. And I think to a large extent, doing that was always politically expedient for him. If there was a political expediency associated with doing that, he could operate at the margins away from the necessary evil defense and become more, not totally, but more aligned with the pro-slavery argument. But it was a very complicated relationship that he had with slavery.